Joining me now, Washington Times online opinion editor, Fox News contributor Monica Crowley, and chairman of the American Conservative Union, Matt Schlapp. Good to have you both here.
Hello, Lou.
Let me, hello to you, and let me ask you, first of all, we're watching a back and forth in Florida and North Carolina here that is remarkable. What do you see?
Well, in terms of Florida, we're waiting on the Panhandle. Those polls close a little later, right? They close in a couple of minutes here, and that is
we got it down to a couple of minutes for you.
That is a traditional Republican stronghold. So while Mrs. Clinton seems to be edging a little bit ahead in Florida, we'll wait to see those numbers come in, and he could pull ahead in the state of Florida. North Carolina also by a razor thread here. I mean, this is tough going. Here we are with these numbers. I still think that Donald Trump is going to enter out in North Carolina.
All right. Matt, your thoughts, your analysis?
Well, you know, I spent 34 days in Florida in a recount. It's a very complicated state to watch how the returns come in. I would tell everybody to be patient. Right. Even the Secretary of State's website is not populating with numbers yet. It will in a few minutes. We'll have a better idea of where these numbers are coming.
Holding out for the Panhandle.
That's right. And as the media did not do, the other stations in 2000 when they started to project too early. So Monica's exactly right.
Well, 2004 wasn't a good experience either.
No, that's right. That's
with
exactly
the exit
right.
polling.
That's
yeah.
Right.
Well, you know, here's the bottom line. You talk about this race. Republicans haven't won a battleground state for 12 years. It's been a long time. Tonight, we're talking about battleground states that are close and in the mix. Yeah. And I want to win these battleground states. We all want to win these battleground states. And right now, it's a cloud of dust.
Yeah, and that is an important point here. This is the man, Donald Trump, who has taken on the establishment of the Republican Party as well as the Democratic. He has been absolutely attacked relentlessly from all quarters of our socio-economic system. And he is in a life and death struggle with the exemplar of the establishment and the person of Hillary Clinton.
I just want to reinforce this. Donald Trump is someone who has never done this before. He has essentially had no money relative to her. He's essentially had no campaign relative to her. And the fact that he is running even or even ahead against the Clinton machine with $2 billion is astonishing.
It is incredible. Matt, you get the last word here.
There's a lot of people still voting in the other time zones.
Right.
Michigan and some of these other states are still to come. Nevada, Colorado. If you haven't voted, go vote. Could be the most important vote of your lifetime.
Isn't that the truth?
Yep.
It is utterly an extraordinary evening, and we are going to, of course, be following throughout